Emma and the Rainy Day. Emma is a girl. She is 8 years old. She wakes up and looks outside. The sky is gray. The rain falls. Not again. Emma says. I don't like rain. She wants to go to the park. She wants to ride her bike. But it is wet. The streets are dark. The wind is cold. She walks to the kitchen. Good morning, her mom says. Emma says, it's raining again. I know, says Mom. Let's have pancakes. Emma smiles a little. Okay. Emma eats pancakes. She watches the rain. She waits. She hopes the rain stops. But it does not. Can I play outside? No, says Mom. It's too wet. Emma sits on the couch. She is bored. She is sad. She plays with her doll. She draws a picture. She looks at books. She says, rainy days are no fun. Later, Emma hears something. Knock. 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 Who is that? She says. She goes to the window. She sees nothing. Just rain. Knock. 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 Again. She opens the door. No one is there. But she looks down. She sees something small. It is a dog. A small, wet dog. Hello? Emma says. The dog shakes. It is cold. It looks at her. Emma runs to get a towel. She wraps the dog. Emma brings the dog inside. Mom. Look. Oh dear, says Mom. It's so wet and small. The dog is brown. It has big eyes and a wagging tail. Is it lost? Emma asks. Maybe, says Mom. We can help it. Emma gives the dog some water. Then some food. The dog eats fast. You were hungry, Emma says. She dries the dog's fur. The dog wags its tail. I want to call him Rainy, says Emma. Rainy the dog. Because he came in the rain. Mom helps Emma make a sign. Found dog, small and brown, very friendly, call 555-0009. They put the sign at the corner. Emma waits. 1 day. No call. 2 days. No call. 3 days. No call. Emma plays with Rainy every day. She throws a ball. Rainy runs fast. She teaches Rainy to sit. To roll. To stay. Rainy is smart, she says. After 1 week, the sun shines. The birds sing. The sky is blue. Emma opens the door. No more rain, she says. She puts on her shoes. Let's go, Rainy. She runs in the park. Rainy runs with her. They play all morning. Emma sees other kids. Who is that? A boy asks. That's Rainy, Emma says. He's my dog. He is fast, the boy says. That evening, the phone rings. Hello, says Mom. Emma watches. Mom talks for a minute. Then she hangs up. Emma, she says. Rainis owner called. Emma's face changes. Oh, she says. They want to come tomorrow. Emma is quiet. She hugs Rainy. Rainy looks at her and licks her face. The next day, a man and a woman come to the house. They smile. That's our dog, the man says. His name is Maximum. Emma says, I called him Rainy. They laugh. That's a nice name. They thank Emma. They give her a small gift, a drawing of Maximum. Thank you for taking care of him, they say. Emma watches as Max gets in the car. She waves. Max barks once. Then the car goes away. Emma feels a tear. She sits on the steps. Her mom hugs her. You were kind, Mom says. You helped someone. That is special. The next week, Emma still thinks about Rainy. She goes to the park. She sees the same boy. Where's your dog? He asks. He went home, Emma says. The boy smiles. Want to play? Emma nods. Okay. They play catch. They laugh. They talk. Later, Emma tells Mom. Rainy is gone. But I made a new friend. Mom smiles. That's what rainy days can do.